Good morning, sir. I'm Joel Tumanda. This is my report and explanation about what is tide table. A tide table, sometimes called a tide chart, is a compilation of data predicting the times and heights of high and low tides at a specific location. These predictions are crucial for various activities, especially those involving navigational and coastal operation. Tide tables are published annually, often in both print and digital format. These are the four importance of tide tables for seafarers. For seafarers, tide tables are indispensable for safe and efficient navigation, particularly when approaching a port. Knowing the predictive times and heights of tides allows captains to number 1. Plan arrival times. Tide tables help determine the optimal time of arrive at a port, ensuring sufficient water depth for safe entry and avoiding grounding on sandbars or shallow areas. This is especially important for larger vessels with deeper drafts. Number 2. Navigate narrow channels and inlets. Many ports have narrow channels or inlets with limited depths. Tide tables provide crucial information on water levels, enabling captains to navigate these areas safely, avoiding potential hazard. Number 3. Avoid delays. Accurate tide prediction minimize delay caused by waiting for suitable water levels. This improves efficiency and fuel consumption. Number 4. Enhance safety. Understanding tidal currents and their impact on navigation for vital for safety. Tide tables help captains anticipate changes in water flow, improving maneuvering and reducing the risk of accident. Example of arriving at a port. Imagine a large cargo ship approaching a port with a shallow entrance. Using the tide table, the captain can determine the time of high tide, ensuring sufficient water depth for safe passage. Without this information, the ship might risk grouping, leading to significant delays, damage, and potential